Guys, today I'm gonna show you how to download Facebook in your this old iPhone. So I have iPhone 4. As you can see, I will go to the setting. So first of all, I will, as you can see that I have already played Subway Surfer in this old iPhone. So first of all, I should go to the general, about, and you can see that I have an iPhone 4. So it's pretty approved. So today I'm going to show you how to download Facebook or other apps in your this old iPhone. So first of all, I am going to delete this iPhone, so old Facebook, sorry. So here you can see that I have deleted it, and now let's see, I'm going to show you how to download it again. So first of all, you should go to the settings, and just you can see that I have already deleted it. So let me show you that the Facebook is already deleted. So you can see that I have deleted the Facebook, and now here you can see, just go to the settings and scroll it down. As you can scroll, you can see these 4 apps: Twitter, Facebook, Flickr, Vimo. So I will click on the Facebook. As you can see that here is a install, and I will click on the install. So you can see that I clicked on the install, and just wait a second. You can see here a screen for the waiting. It will ask for the Facebook, ask for the Apple ID. So I am going to give it the password of my so yeah, here we go. So I have given my password, and now you can see that it is showing for waiting. As you can see that it says always appointment. So I have downloaded it. So as I click on the download, it's still waiting. Now here we go, it start downloading. So I will upload a complete video about this, that how to download more apps like TikTok. You can see that I have already downloaded TikTok, and service offers many apps that are not compatible with this old version of iPhone, because you can know well that this iPhone have stopped on iOS 7.5.9. You can see that here I can also use TikTok on this old version of an iPhone. So this is the oldest iPhone. You can see here I can use TikTok on this old iPhone. So you can download it easily, these all apps. So I will upload another video to download all these apps. So here I just made video on download Facebook. So subscribe if you are new to my channel, and like the video. We will meet in the next video. Bye, Allah.